Want to know how to make $36 million without risking any of your own cash or serious jail time? Follow me on this. I got it. I know it's all history and it's in the past, but it could happen again. Alright, July 7th, 2024, and this is a fascinating little story from the past. So we'll start off simple. A man who has some health issues in the late 19th century, extremely late 19th century. He has a copper mine he wants to unload and make a little bit of money for his family. We'll call him Marcus. He's approached by these two fellows. We'll call them Bill and Hank. Well, Bill and Hank, they like the idea of buying his copper mine. He's a good guy. He has an outstanding reputation of self-made miner and a geologist, very experienced. And he's made money for other people in the past. So they write him a check for $39 million with one proviso. Just don't cash it. Yet. He's familiar with these men. He knows who they are, and he knows more than Bill and Hank that they are. And he's done all right as an Irish immigrant, so he says, okay, I'll hold on to the check. I won't cash it immediately. Well, the team of Bill and Hank, they go to work at this, and they immediately set up a new company, Amalgamated Copper Company, or mining company. They put up their own directors who immediately start working on purchasing Marcus's company, Anaconda.
75 million.
They go ahead and they're instructed to print up $75 million worth of stock for the new company, in favor of this. They have the money set up, and they put it up, and Hank and Bill take this $75 million worth of stock, and they go to the National City Bank, the same bank that Marcus used to hold his check. And they show them that they have $70 million worth of a mine company. Well, with that, they asked for a loan of $39 million. With all this, it's granted. So with the $39 million from the National City Bank, they cover the check to Marcus. Later on, the two of them instruct their brokers to go ahead and sell the $75 million worth of stock to the public. Once it's revealed, they find out who Hank and Bill really are, William Rockefeller and Henry Rogers. The stock sells fairly quickly. So now they have $75 million worth of stuff. They take their profit.
Factor in millions and millions of dollars.
They pay off the loan. So with the money left over, they clear a cool $36 million. Plus, they got one heck of a copper mine that will, in its lifetime, produce over $300 billion worth of that metal. I know. Of course, this is all in the past. It's been 120 plus years. And this type of deal could never, ever happen again, right? Wrong.
For loitering on April 2000.
Let's fast forward. April 2012. A certain media giant, we'll call them Facebook. They acquire a photo sharing app known as Instagram for $1 billion. That's with a B dollars. The problem is, Facebook hasn't exactly been placed with a value. It hasn't sold any stock. In fact, this is a week before its IPO, its initial public offering. Well, they priced it at $38 a share. The opening happens. They clear $16 billion. So yeah, they cover that check for Instagram. And it's an app now where 2.4 billion people use it. And that's a nice driving force behind, ad revenue. God knows how much it's worth now. Over 100 billion. Well, they say winners write the history.
History's written by the winners, Christian.
I wish I had a paragraph in this story. But that's history, and it's all in the past. So we'll see you tomorrow when we talk about today. Bye.